Let's begin today's session with 3 Om together. Take a deep breath in. Take a few moments here to observe your body, observe your posture. Now join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bow your head down to the God and pray to the God for today's practice, for today's energy. Open your eyes while blinking and namaste to everyone. Okay, so let's begin today's Vinyasa session. Extend your both legs forward into Dandasana. Now press your palms to the sides of your hips, roll your shoulders back and keep your spine straight. And keep pushing your heels forward, pull your toes back towards you. Now as you exhale, push your toes forward or bend your toes forward. Inhale, pull them back and spread them out. Exhale, bend your toes forward. Inhale, pull them back. Exhale, again bend your toes forward. Inhale, pull them back. With the next exhalation, make your toes pointed. And then inhale, pull them back. Exhale, make your toes pointed. Inhale, pull them back. Exhale. Again make your toes pointed and hold for 3, 2, 1 and then inhale, again pull your toes back. With the next exhalation, make your toes pointed, keep pushing your toes further than before and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, again pull your toes back. Now from here we'll make a big circle to our ankle all the way around. Exhale, make your toes pointed and inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Just keep on moving as slow as possible because we do have mobility in our ankle joint. So just keep on moving from there. 1, 2 and 3. Now on the other side, make a circle as big as possible. 1, 2, inhale and exhale there. 3, 4 and 5. Now shake your legs, shake your thighs. Now bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right thigh with your both hands. Now with the next inhalation, stretch your leg up. Make your toes pointed. Look at your toes, fix your gaze on your toes. Breathe in, chest open. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale, again stretch your leg up all the way high. Fix your gaze on your toes. Exhale, bend your toes, bend your leg. Inhale, again stretch it up and then hold. Just be engaged with your left leg, pull your toes back and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your right leg at the knee. Interlock your fingers behind your right foot. Now with the next inhalation, stretch your leg up all the way high. Spine is straight, hands straight. Inhale there. Exhale, bend your elbow, lower your head down onto your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, again lift your chest up, pull your chest back and hold for 3, 2 and 1. Now grab your outer edge of your foot with your left hand and then stretch your right hand back, twist your spine, keep pushing your right leg forward so that you will find that more twisting from your navel center. Hold for 3, 2 and 1. Inhale again, reach your arm up, keep your right leg up in the air. Now swing your right leg back and bend your left leg at the knee into the pigeon pose. Extend your right leg back. Yes. Now make your toes pointed. Make sure your front leg is in 90-degree angle and back leg is all the way extended back. Okay? If you cannot make 90-degree angle from your front leg, you can press your hands on the floor and then move your hips back even more further out. Then make your toes pointed. If you cannot push your hips down, you can always use the block underneath your front hip. Now inhale, lift your chest up, make your toes pointed, and then exhale, lower your head down, go slow. Inhale while coming up, exhale, all the way bend down. Inhale, come up high, exhale, lower your head down. Inhale, again come up high, lift your chest up, exhale, again bend forward, come up high. Inhale, up, exhale, lower your head down. Inhale, again come up high, reach up and then hold for 5, 4, chest up, 3, 2, 1. Now bend forward, forearms on the floor. Now from here you have to swing to the right side. Now press your palm and then swing to the right side. Inhale, back to the center. Either you can tuck your toes under. Okay? And then again swing your hip forward to the right side. Inhale, back to the center. Keep on stretching your left hip, your front leg which is bent. Keep on swinging right and then left, right and then left. Just increase that mobility from your hip joint. Keep pushing your right hip forward and moving back. For last 3 more counts, 2 more counts and 1 more counts. So from here, inhale again back to the center. Press your palms on the floor. अपने हाथों को प्रेस करना. Keep your hands outside of your front leg. ठीक है? Now from here, tuck your toes under. Lift your hips off the floor. Keep your left leg remain in front. And then reach your hips high and lower your head down onto your left leg. Inhale, again move back to the pigeon pose. Exhale, again move your hips back, extend your front leg at the knee, lower your head down. Inhale, again move your hips down on the floor. Inhale and then exhale, again reach your hips up. Inhale, again move your hips back. Exhale, again move your hips high and then hold for 5. Keep on extending your front leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now press your palms on the floor and then step your right leg forward to keep your both legs straight. Outside of your left leg. Now inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Try to touch your abdomen on your thighs. Keep on bending, keep on stretching. And feel that nice extension on your both legs together. Keep bending down. Feel that stretch on your outer hip. Now inhale, halfway look up once again. Now from here, send your Left leg back for warrior C. Stay there. Now bring your knee forward towards your head. And then inhale, extend it high, back up in the air. Exhale, bring your knee forward. Inhale, again send your leg back. Exhale, bring your knee forward, make your toes pointed. Inhale, again take your leg back. Exhale, knee forward. Inhale, take your leg back, and then completely bend down for the standing split. Stretch your leg and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale again, halfway look up for warrior C. Now press your palms on the floor, bend your knees and jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then drop your knees down, rest in child pose.